Here I have HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, next, agree, yes please, allow, yes, identify objects, get started. So here you have the first button. This is like QR code scanner. So let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, it suggests me to redirect me to this website, which is being encoded to this QR code. And we can open it with browser and see what's being encoded here so easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.